Welcome to Confidently Nurturing in Public, a practical guide to breastfeeding. Whether you're a first-time mom or a seasoned pro, breastfeeding in public can sometimes feel overwhelming. But with a few simple tips and tricks, you can confidently feed your baby anytime, anywhere. First, remember that breastfeeding is a natural and healthy way to nourish your baby. It's protected by law in most places, so don't be afraid to breastfeed in public. Start by finding a comfortable position that works for you and your baby. Whether you choose to use a breastfeeding pillow or simply cradle your little one, find what feels best for both of you. Next, choose your clothing wisely. Opt for loose, easy-to-open tops or breastfeeding-friendly attire. Consider using a nursing cover or a lightweight scarf for added privacy, if that makes you more comfortable. Remember, though, it's your choice. Timing is key when breastfeeding in public. Try to nurse your baby before they're too hungry to avoid any fussiness. If you anticipate being out for a while, pack a diaper bag with essentials, such as extra diapers, wipes, and a change of clothing. Being prepared will help you stay relaxed and confident. If you're feeling self-conscious, don't fret. Many moms find it helpful to redirect their focus. Engage with your baby by maintaining eye contact or gently stroking their back. This connection can help you feel more at ease in any setting. Lastly, surround yourself with support. Seek out a breastfeeding support group or connect with other breastfeeding moms. Having a community of like-minded individuals can provide reassurance and helpful tips along the way. Remember, breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural process. Embrace the bond between you and your baby, and don't be afraid to nurse in public. You're doing an amazing job. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks.